My love, started read your poem.
It's my poem number 215. The title is The Beautiful, Unique, and Calming, Peaceful, and Serene Sound of an Early Cooing Morning Love Dove. The beautiful and unique and calming, peaceful, serene, and really so relaxing sound of an early morning love dove, early morning wake up cooing lovely sound of a morning light gray pretty love dove cuts through the chilly early morning darkness with loving, beautiful, soothing, positive delightfulness, and brings to a heart instant God-blessed happiness and a heart touchingly special, lovely, gentle, wonderful, kind, heartily loving, beautiful feeling is so soothingly, relaxingly found. In this early, dark, gloomy, and cloud-covered, chilly morn, the unique, beautiful, beautiful cooing of a sweet dove bird in true love touched my heart deeply, and I felt God's love in nature so innocent and blessedly warm. Before the new bright sunny day will start and begin, the unique and really beautiful, sweet, lovely, loving sound of a soothing, cooing, early morn love dove, sweet little gray, pretty feathered light bird. The cooing sound is so peaceful, serene, and a lovely music. Happiness to every life-living, loving thing it joyously, happily does, positively, impactingly, positively, encouragingly, and lovingly, sweetly bring. A beautiful morning, sweet love dove, the unforgettable, loving, cooing, beautiful, sweet, light gray feathered, early dark morning love dove, sound brings to all of nature and mankind God-blessed peacefulness, serenity, and blessed happiness with sweet dove cooing love. I wrote this poem on 10 April 2022.
You're excellent. You're number one on the planet.